tricks that seem crazy until you actually try them some time ago. Someone on Reddit suggested that users share their strangest tricks that were extremely useful and helped their everyday lives. Nobody could have imagined that it would go as far as to expose us to things like salty watermelons, wet pizza, spare socks for a bad day and more strange things. At Brightside, we've each tried some awesome life hacks and now want to share these awesome tricks with you. The most important thing is to keep an open mind to the things that may seem completely absurd at first. 13. Pizza is tastier if you eat it wet. To make pizza tastier, before you warm it up in the microwave oven, put a slightly wet paper towel on it or sprinkle it with water, especially on the edges. 12. Try this cat relaxation technique. Do you want to feel more energetic during the day? Take a sunbath just like cats and kids do. Grab a comforter and a pillow, and take a nap right on the floor. Choose a spot where there are warm sun rays. If you are resting outside a building, don't forget to put on sunscreen. Limit yourself to 15-20 minutes to avoid a sunburn. 11. Put salty peanuts into Coca-Cola. Peanuts get a nice salty sweet taste and become softer when putting them into a Coke. Tea. His carbonated drink is popular in the south of the US, and many travelers use this trick to eat something more easily while driving. All you need to do is put peanuts in a bottle of Coke to be able to drink and eat using just one hand. 10. B. Bad day at work? Put on new socks right at your desk. It is very difficult to verbally describe the wonderful feeling that you get after putting on a new pair of socks. T. His is a good piece of advice for those who need to take a long walk when having a rough day. You're bound to have an immediate rush of new energy. This trick is especially useful for women. If you wear tights all day and in the evening you are going out to meet someone, take another pair of tights to change into before the meeting. Why? You'll feel like you have new legs. 9. Forgot a word? Repeat the alphabet out loud. In 90% of cases, once you get to the letter of the alphabet that the word you're trying to remember starts with, you will instantly recall it. 8. W. When you feel too lazy to do something, forget about coffee and go take a shower. Dante spent the time online hoping for the force of coffee to kick in if you're feeling tired or depressed. T. The fastest way to get back on your feet is to take a fast shower. You will feel a rush of power and notice that your mood will improve. T. That's why many psychologists advise to wash the stress off, and doctors recommend taking a shower before sleep, especially if you have insomnia. 7. G. Hot a cold. Boil cola, add some ginger, and drink it. This anti-cold medicine is very popular in China. Why? Who should drink this hot? And you should boil it to get rid of the gas. You can also add a piece of lemon if you like. T. His mixture relieves the pain in the throat and nose blockage, as well as warms the body up from the inside. 6. N. E. To relax. Put a neck massager to your ears. One important thing to remember: the massager must be silent. M. Any users love this unusual life hack. They claimed that they felt very calm after doing it. 5. Soy sauce tastes like caramel if you put it on vanilla ice cream. This is hard to explain, but if you like soy sauce on ice cream, try putting some vinegar on it next time. 4. Do your hands smell of garlic? Rub salt or something made of stainless steel on them. This simple life hack can save you from an awkward situation. Some people claim that if you hold a little soda in your hands, it will absorb the smell too. If you ate too much garlic, keep a spoon or a fork made of stainless steel in your mouth for 30 seconds. 3. Burgers are tastier if you melt a marshmallow on the meat and put peanut butter on it. Such burgers have become so popular lately that they have started to appear in many cafes and restaurants. 2. Fruit is more sweet with salt, and coffee is not as bitter. Salt is the only mineral that people eat. Put some salt on a watermelon, apple, pear, any citrus, or even hot chocolate to make the taste richer and sweeter. And putting a little salt in your coffee will remove the bitterness that many people dislike. 1. Add vinegar with salt to French fries, and put cream cheese on watermelons. Don't be afraid of food experiments. Some people like bananas with tomato paste. Others eat pasta with condensed milk, the British eat fries with vinegar and salt, and people who live in the Mediterranean put cream cheese on watermelon. Do you have anything to add to the list? Share your tips in the comment section below.